There is nothing cookie cutter about 1344 West River Road. There is a mature forest buffer giving you maximum privacy from the road as the home sits near the back of the lot. The size and location make it a good fit to young professionals or downsizers, not requiring a large home but keen on the outdoor space and privacy. The ideal nature lover's property. The home has undergone a thorough renovation. It connects with its surroundings using large windows and this huge front-facing deck. This feels like cottage country meets posh urban lifestyle. The home is open concept and carpet free, from the kitchen right through to the family room. The elegant white kitchen with quartz countertops stands out from the soft colored laminate which finishes the entire space. When it comes to style and function, this bathroom is on point. Perfect size and beautifully finished. This garage is multi-function. We've got this separate heated space that's set up as an office with direct internet connection. It's a perfect setup for you to keep your work away from the actual house. And there's more. I'm standing on 63 Sylvan, a residential building lot that's being sold together. We have building plans engineered and ready to go, or you have the opportunity to design your own. This place has privacy and awesome potential. For more information, call, text, or email our team.